So first and foremost, I want to appreciate God Almighty for everything and for placing us in this position to host this project. And very importantly, I want to send our heartfelt appreciation and gratitude to the Executive Governor of Akwa Ibom State for accepting to join forces with the Elegant Empire Music and Films to host this amazing project. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you for accepting to be a part of this, and thank you for being a lover of good things and a lover of innovative people. Thank you, sir. All right, dear viewers, this is not just another competition. This is an awakening. It's a movement. It's a celebration of creativity and the powerful spirit of all talented people. So if you're watching me right now and you are a rapper, a singer, a poet, a spoken word artist, or a lyricist, guess what? This is your biggest opportunity to shine. You are invited to drop a verse, your own verse, on any of these three amazing songs. Number one, The Builder. The Builder is a song to celebrate an amazing leader, a man of vision, a man of excellence, and a builder who is actually leading us and taking us into greatness. Number two, Akwa Ibom Rising. Akwa Ibom Rising is a song of greatness, a song that calls us all to rise into our full potentials. Number three, Unity. Unity is actually a song of love that brings us together in one love, peace, and unity. So viewers, there is actually no limit in this competition. You can decide to do one song, or maybe two, or perhaps the three songs. And guess what? The more songs you cover, the more your chances to becoming the winner in this competition. So the ball is in your court. Play it to whatever direction you intend to. So just in case you're wondering, how do I end up becoming the winner in this competition? First of all, you have to have meaningful lyrics. This is not just that competition where you just mumble words together and form something. No, this one, you have to say something meaningful. So you have to do meaningful lyrics. Secondly, you have to have the highest views, likes, and comments. And people have to share your videos. So go ahead, create your contents, send them across to us. Post it on your social media platforms and use the hashtags that we're going to send to you. And definitely, you're going to be on your way to becoming the winner and the next to shine via this competition. So like I said before, this is not just about the vibes. Of course, the vibe is good, but this is more about the depth. It's about the message, and it's about the impact of your words. So take your time and create something meaningful. And remember, content submission and tagging starts on Wednesday, 23rd of April 2025 and shall end on Wednesday, 7th of May 2025. So all you have to do right now is go ahead, contact us, and let us send you the beats for the competition. Go ahead and create your content, send it across to us, and then post it on your social media platforms and use the hashtags that we are going to send across to you. Alright, it's your turn to shine. It's time for the world to get to hear your voice. Alright, so the winner in this competition shall actually walk away with a special recognition award, and also he or she shall get amazing prizes and also a spotlight in the biggest platforms. Wow, isn't this amazing? This is not just another music competition. This is legacy. Let your voice be heard. Let your talent shine, and let the world re-know you. See you at the top.